Hey, I'm Spencer Anderson. I'm the 3-line final assembly supervisor over here at MJM Yachts. Been going on 4 years. I've been here in October. Love the job. It's always a learning experience. I like to do a lot of the electrical work, so whether it's inboards or outboards or troubleshooting or whatnot, it's always a learning curve, and I love every bit of it. Currently I have about 6 people on my final assembly team over here. Every single one of them are eager to learn and take pride in everything they do. Everybody loves what they're doing. There's a lot of learning opportunities around here. A lot of people didn't come from the boating industry, and every day they're learning and asking questions, and it's cool to watch them grow and learn and retain information and move forward and grow in life. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of cross-training opportunities. We do a lot of, nobody's really set in a spot per se. We have our electricians and our carpenters, of course, but anytime there's a chance to cross-train and pull an electrician onto cabinetry into wiring, it's awesome. Somebody's out, somebody can fill in. It's nice to have cross-training. There's plenty of opportunities to cross-train.